Welcome to your channel Joke Studio. Subscribe now for more. A woman was given a parrot for her birthday, but the bird had grown up with a bad attitude and some of the foulest language she had ever heard. Try as she might, teaching it new words, soothing it with music, she could not get the parrot to change. One day, he was even worse than usual. She got so angry that she put him in the freezer and closed the door. The bird could be heard squawking, kicking and screaming, and then all went quiet. Frightened that she may have harmed him, she quickly opened the door and the parrot calmly stepped out. "If I've offended you in any way, I'm very sorry," he said. "I promise it will never happen again. By the way, what did the chicken do?"